Hallo Freunde, willkommen bei Language Sphere. Today we will see how does the Sprechen Teil 1 is being conducted during the exam. Sprechen Teil 1 is basically sich vorstellen. Sich vorstellen means you have to introduce yourself and you have to introduce yourself in the particular format, and so the format is also kept in front of you. In this format you have to give your introduction. You first have to tell your name, then age, then country, then where do you live. Then you have to tell the languages you know, and then the profession, and at the end you have to tell your hobbies. And then you can end up by saying, Das ist alles, danke. Now we will see the possibilities of giving the introduction in the particular format. For telling your name, there are two possibilities. Either you can tell by telling Ich heiße and then your name, or mein Name ist and then comes your name. For age, ich bin dash Jahre alt. Whatever is your age, you have to tell the number. Like ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Land means country. That means where do you come from? So you can say ich komme aus Indien. Wohnort means where do you live? Like ich wohne in and the place where you live. For example, ich wohne in Berlin. Sprachen means languages. For example, ich spreche Hindi, English und ein bisschen Deutsch. Beruf. Beruf means profession. For example, ich bin Lehrerin von Beruf. Hobby. For example, mein Hobby ist Kochen und Bücher lesen. Then you can end up by saying, Das ist alles, danke. Now let's see certain questions that are typically asked by the examiner once you finish up your this introduction part. Wie ist Ihr Vorname? This question basically means what is your first name? Yeah, in this case you have to tell your first name. Then they could also ask like Wie ist Ihr Nachname? Nachname basically means your last name. In this case you can tell your surname. Wie ist Ihr Handynummer? Handynummer means mobile number. Bitte buchstabieren Sie dein Vorname oder Nachname. Buchstabieren here means to spell your name. You have to spell your name in German. If they ask for Vorname, that means you have to spell your first name. If they ask for Nachname, that means you have to spell your last name. That is your surname. Danke, tschüss.